Magandang araw po sa inyo mga tagapanood or magandang gabi. Ito po ay isang reaction video lamang mula kay tayo na at mag-subscribe sa kanya. Pa-subscribe na rin po sa channel ko. Tara na at nang masimulan na natin.
Northeast China faces unprecedented snowstorm chaos. Heavy snowfall causes widespread disruption. Unusually heavy snowfall earlier this week covered many parts of northeastern China, forcing airlines to cancel flights, suspend trains, and close schools and roads in the first major snowstorm in the year.
No! Oh my Lord! There's nothing we can do, man!
More than 30 centimeters of snow is expected to fall on higher areas in China's Inner Mongolia, Jilin, and Heilongjiang provinces. Clear blue skies accompanied by widespread snow will cause temperatures to drop significantly. The first snowfall in northeast China usually occurs from late November to early December, state news agency The Paper reported, citing a chief weather forecaster from China's National Meteorological Center. In Heilongjiang, China's northernmost province, the railway operator suspended 51 passenger trains on Tuesday due to a snowstorm. Harbin, the provincial capital, cancelled more than 400 flights at its international airport on Monday, while several smaller airports in the province cancelled all flights. Schools, kindergartens and off-campus training facilities in most areas of Harbin were closed on Monday and Tuesday, state broadcaster CCTV reported. In Jiamusi City, authorities are investigating the collapse of a gymnasium on Monday amid a snowstorm, killing 3 students trapped inside, according to state news agency Xinhua. Xinhua news agency reported that 7 middle school students were playing basketball at a sports club when the roof collapsed on them. 3 people escaped while 4 others were trapped, the report said. This is the second gym collapse in Heilongjiang in recent months.
加油，别着急，慢慢轻油走。小特斯拉，小电车。
In July, after several days of heavy rain, the roof of a school gym in Qiqihar City collapsed on the student volleyball team, killing 11 people. The 2 incidents have sparked public outrage and raised questions about the quality and safety of the projects. Harbin has issued a red blizzard warning, the highest level in China's 4-level warning system. In neighboring Jilin province, more than 200 highway entrances were closed due to heavy snowfall. China's National Weather Forecasting Agency issued an orange blizzard warning, the second highest after red, on Saturday and extended the warning on Monday for parts of Jilin, Heilongjiang and Inner Mongolia.
我操！别一会儿雪崩了，再给我俩砸死！
那个大学生请求
啊，我的脸！
Northern China has experienced unusual and contrasting weather conditions over the past week, from fog to its second warmest October in decades. This sudden shift led to a sharp drop in temperatures over the weekend, catching many people off guard. The Central Meteorological Agency predicts most of the Northeast will see temperatures plummet to single digits or even below freezing as cold air sweeps east and south. This early arrival of winter emphasizes the need for people and authorities to adapt quickly to changing weather patterns. Please join us every day to stay updated with weather information. Don't miss out, click the register button to support us.
Maraming salamat po. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe na po tayo kay. Pa-subscribe na rin po sa channel ko. Babay po.